So I have the painting at home now that we found in that antique mall back in Cambria. Here it is hanging on the wall, and there's a couple of things you need to know when you buy an older painting. And the first one is there's a temptation to go out and get a new frame. And I would ask you to resist that temptation, because to keep a painting's historical value, you want to try and keep it in the very state it came to you. This frame, I believe, was original to this painting. So we're not going to change it. I'm going to keep this original frame. It's actually in an arts and crafts frame. I don't know when it was added to the painting, but we're going to keep it in its original state. And the other thing to do as a good rule when you buy a painting, an old painting, is you want to try and keep as much of the provenance and documentation as you possibly can attached to the painting. Some people put it in a file folder and store it away, but things tend to get lost that way. I find the best thing to do is tape it all to the back of the painting. And then there's never any question as to where your provenance was for the painting. Keep good documentation, keep the painting in the frame it came in, and you'll have something that you'll be able to sell down the road very successfully.